May the gods never quench their fatal feud, that neither he who holds the scepter now may keep his throne, nor he who fled the realm return again.
Eteocles, my brother, our father Oedipus is now gone. It's up to us to rule our kingdom.
Yeah, as the oldest son, I should be the one who rules the throne, but the people of Thebes want us to share it. So what are we going to do?
How about we alternate thrones? Every year we'll switch off.
Okay, so who goes first?
Alright, how about this? Ready? Ready?
Oh! Yeah! Sorry.
You guys did it?
Alright, Eteocles, it's been 1 year. It's my turn to rule.
Oh, yeah, about that. I've decided to become permanent king of Thebes. Sorry.
What are you talking about? We had an agreement.
Well, I decided to break it.
What do you mean you decided to break it, man? I'm your brother. It's my turn to rule.
I want to be king of Thebes. So, I'm going to banish you from Thebes so you can never come back and become king. I'm the oldest and I should be king anyways, right?
You can't banish me.
Guards!
Wait, no. You can't do this to me, man. Let go of me. Look, I'll be back, brother. This throne belongs to me. Ah! Hey, come on.
Oh my god!
What? Hey, wait. Hey.
Go.
Hey. What am I supposed to do now? Hey, look, a mountain. Oh, man. Why is the mountain so hard? So tiring. Another mountain. Stupid mountains. Why are there so many of them? Hurts my back. Hey, look, a stranger! Hey, I'm so glad I found you. Do you know who I am? Welcome to Argos. Okay, thanks.
Look back.
Oh, great. The bar. Bartender!
How can I help you, sir?
What's your strongest drink, man?
I would recommend ambrosia.
How much is it?
19 gold.
That should be enough. This game sucks. First my brother seals my throat and then...
So thirsty.
Hey, that's my
You, I notice you have a sphinx on your shield.
Yeah? What of it?
The prophet told me that a man with a sphinx will come and marry my daughter.
Can I marry the daughter?
No.
Oh, there.
My daughter.
Oh.
Yes, Daddy?
So come with me to my palace.
Okay, sure.
Summon the man with the sphinx.
Hey, nice palace you got here. Oh, by the way, we didn't properly introduce ourselves. I'm Polyneices of Thebes.
I'm King Adrastus of Argos.
So, since I married your daughter, I want you to help me out with something.
Very well then.
Well, my selfish older brother Eteocles decided to take my throne away from me, so I need you to help me get it back.
Fine. I will supply you an army with 7 of my finest heroes.
Alright, when will I get to meet them?
Tomorrow.
Great, thanks. Good.
King Sire, I heard your brother has summoned an army and come to destroy us with his 7 greatest soldiers from Argos. What shall we do?
What? This is why I banished him so he could never come back and be king.
What shall we do? I suggest you summon your greatest leaders and go and fight them in the war.
This is what we're going to do. Summon 7 of our greatest warriors, the greatest Theban warriors, and summon the army and bring them here. If my brother wants a war, he's getting one.
Alright!
Go! Go!
Argive army, today we will show them who rightfully belongs on the throne. Let's go get them!
Go!
Men of Thebes, Polyneices is back. We have to kill this traitor and protect Thebes. You ready?
Go! Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Wait!